Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you have a blank window in your Windows security, or if you get a message saying that the page is not available when you try to open Windows security option. Now, this is something what you would see when you try to open Windows security. You would not have an option to click on any of the functionality within Windows security, or else you might get a message saying that the page is not available following this error message. Now there is a quick fix to get this issue resolved. Now to resolve this issue, what you will have to do is you will have to open the browser. Once you have the browser open, you will have to copy the link from the video description. Basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to download the patch for the security health setup from the Microsoft catalog website. So you can copy and paste the link from the video description, open the browser, paste it in the address bar. So this will take you to the catalog.download.windowsupdate.com and hit enter. This will go and download the file. You might want to go to the location where you have the file downloaded. More likely it could be in your downloads folder. Now what you can do is you can click on open downloads folder. This will take you to the file location where you have the file downloaded. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click and click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen, and you might see a couple of windows popping on the screen. And once it is done, you can go ahead and restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, try to open Windows security program or the app, and that should bring back all the options which were missing from the Windows security. So I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and at any point of time if you think that the steps what I performed has not fixed the problem, you can mention or you can leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. You have a great day.